Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what items we have lost on the new dress room press update. So do you think it's a flop or a bob? So they did remove the VIP bow, which I don't really mind, but if you go outside, you'll see that they removed some glasses here. They removed two of the glasses. They removed the black one and the square one. They also removed the platform sandals, this one, and they removed this one too, the blue one and the pink one, which is sad. And here they removed the granny dress as well, and they removed the set that they have here, no more earmuffs. I do hope that they will bring that soon. I think they removed it for the new coats, which I'm wearing one right now, which is the skirt, and the sleeves is from the new coat. And the new coat also has this doll here. So yeah, what do you think? Is the update a bop or a flop? Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you think they shouldn't have removed the items or something like that? That's totally up to you to decide. But I think they shouldn't have removed those items specifically. I would have preferred if they did like the bow was fine, but like I actually really like the granny dress. Hopefully they're just gonna rework that because it is a little bit buggy underneath it. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.